If you want to turn on or turn off the camera flashlight on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the camera. Now over here in the top left corner you should be able to find this lightning icon. We can tap on it in order to set the flash to auto, so the phone will automatically decide when the phone should activate the flashlight when taking a photo. And of course you can set it to always on, so always when you try to take a photo, regardless of the condition of the environment, the camera flashlight will be enabled. And then also there is flashlight, so even if you don't take the photo, it is still pre-enabled, so you can see how it will look like before you even take the photo. And then of course if you tap again, you will see the flashlight is off. If for some reason the flashlight is not available at the top, you can also swipe down on the camera preview, or you can tap on this arrow in order to find the flash option here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!